Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, and we're looking at the US dollar index and we're starting on the daily time frame. So if you've been following along with my videos, you know I think there's a pretty good chance that this big first five waves down is an A. I think this right here is three waves of B, and I think this last push down we have could be a wave C. My old mentor used to call this the irregular ABC because it's got a big A and then a normal wave B and then a small wave C. And then it just ends up turning and just continuing the higher time frame uptrend, which is exactly what I think it's going to do, because I still think that this is likely a big WXY pattern on either the weekly time frame or if you zoom out a long ways on the daily. So we have our Fibonacci retracement on here from here to here because, we always want to look at all options. And if this move up really is a pullback to this move down, then potentially it would make three waves up to a Fibonacci level and then turn back to the downside, which hopefully we will be able to recognize that. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So if this move up right here is a pullback to this move down, then it's going to turn into a very overlapping pattern, probably end up doing something like this over the next, few days. If it does something like this, then most likely it will go to a Fibonacci level, it'll break to the downside, and then it will continue the downtrend. If this right here really is the bottom of a wave C, which I think there's a pretty good chance that it is, then it most likely will maintain impulsive movement. It will definitely have pullbacks, but it won't have like overlapping pullbacks. It will most likely make higher highs, higher lows. It will most likely eventually go up and take out this high. So while we're looking for logs on the dollar, we're going to be learning and earning whether it's an impulsive move that's not overlapping or whether it's a corrective move that is very overlapping. And we're going to take this information and we're going to use it to trade the euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, dollar CAD, and dollar Swiss. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.